Welcome back to my new video. One of my customers gave me this phone this morning and he told me that this phone is not owning. And I asked him some question. Please sir, when did this thing happen? He said yesterday. And I said, okay, no problem. Let me check the phone. First of all, I tried to on the phone. The phone did not on. Yes, I tried the first method, the phone did not on. And I have to use something to click the power on button. Can you see I use my screwdriver, my flat screwdriver. I click it, still not working. I put a little force, still not working. So let me start troubleshooting since the phone is not on. First of all, let me remove all the bolts. Yes, very important. So let me remove all the bolts here in this phone so that I can open the panel and start the work. Guys, you can see, let me remove all the bolts. Okay, I'm done now. So let me remove the cover. Engineers, please always take time to do your customer phone. Please take time to do it, guys, please. Engineers, so let me unclip the battery. First of all, unclip the battery. Very, very important. Unclip the battery first. So check this out. Unclip the battery first, don't forget. Then the next thing is for you to remove. You can remove camera and other things. Remove the screen, screen flex, other things. Take time to do it so that you can remove the panel perfectly. So check this out. So let me go over to the camera side and remove the camera. Okay, as you can see, I tried removing the panel, but something is holding the panel. So let me try to remove the camera first. Engineers, please listen to me. During this process, you have to be very, very careful. Please, I'm begging you, please, you have to be very, very careful. Take your time to do this. As you can see, I'm trying to remove the camera. Please take your time to do this, engineers. Just try to remove anything that is logging, that is stopping the panel not to go out. Try to make sure that you unplug them. It is very simple. Just take your time to do this, guys. I'm trying to make sure I remove the camera, the both camera, the front and the back camera, so that I can be able to remove the panel perfectly. Just watch me. Look at the way I'm doing my own, so that whenever you want to do it for your customer, you take time to do it. So I finally removed the panel now. Guys, check this out. It's very simple. I finally removed the panel now. Engineers, this is the panel. I take my time to look this panel very well. I discovered that nothing is wrong with this panel. I mean physical damage. There's no physical damage. This panel still look like new. Nothing is wrong. Nobody worked on the panel before. But why is the phone not on? Okay. So first of all, I removed the camera, the front camera, because I want to check where the problem is from. I'll use my multimeter to read and know whether it's shorting or something is wrong somewhere. So let me remove the two cameras, the front and the back camera, so that I will start the work. Engineers, please watch this video to the end so that you can be able to see what I will do. So it's very simple. I will fix this phone. It's a must that I will fix this phone. A must, I will fix this phone today. So let me unplug the back camera and keep it. Please make sure you keep it in a safe place and do not allow anything to touch the lens. Be very, very careful with the camera. Okay, so let me use my multimeter now to read the power input, the V-bars and the ground. First of all, let me bring my multimeter. So this is my multimeter now, and I will set it to continuity. Engineers, don't forget, set your multimeter to continuity because you want to read the V-bars and the ground. You want to make sure that voltage is still flowing in. If not flowing in, I'll check the protective component. Very, very important. So make sure that you keep the positive of your meter probe to the ground, then your negative of your meter probe to the V-bar, right? So let me test now. Here we go. So right here you can see it's reading 306. So I'm reading diode now. Voltage is still flowing in. Okay, engineers, 3 something means nothing is wrong. Voltage is still flowing in. So let me turn and read normal now. Negative to the ground, positive to the V-bar. So here we go. Let me test. So you can see it's not reading anything because nothing is blocking the power. Nothing is blocking the voltage input. To solve this issue, since nothing is blocking the power, so I will go to this section here, the power IC section, and remove all this heatsink paste. If you check inside, you will see coil, you will see both coil and other components inside. So I'm going to remove this heatsink paste here. I'm taking my time to do this. Engineers, please make sure you take your time to do your customer phone. So the next thing is for me to apply paste. I will apply paste now and start the work. For you to be able to fix this issue, you need workstation or hand blower. So I'm going to use my own blower to fix this issue. So for the temperature, I'm going to set my A to 4. Then for the heater, I'm going to set my heater to 6 and start the process. So let me turn on my hot air machine and start doing the job. Engineers, please, when you're blowing, be very careful. Be very careful. You may ask, Father Joe, why are you telling us we should be very careful? I'm telling you because I don't want you to hit something and spoil either component or IC or some other things. Have in mind that under this panel we have other ICs, so make sure that you do this thing carefully, blow it carefully so that you will not spoil the IC under this panel. So take your time to do it. It's not a rushing work. Guys, check this out. Check this out. I will soon be done. So make sure you hit it. I'm done already. So guys, let me test it for you guys to see whether it's work. If after testing and it's not working, I'm going to start another process so that I will fix the issue. So right now you can see I just use something to clean the leftover paste. Make sure you clean it. Engineers, please take your time to do it. Please take your time to do it. So the next thing is for me to put my heatsink paste back because the one that is here, I've already wiped it out. So put the heatsink paste back. For me to be able to put the new paste, I will need to clean the old one first. So let me clean the old one now. Engineers, this is one of the causes of overheating in your phone. When this old paste dry and there's no water again to help to reduce the heat, your phone will be heating up and consuming battery. I will advise you to always change this paste at least once in every year. Make sure you change this paste once in every year. And always take your phone to engineer so that engineer can open the phone and check if the paste is dry. It's not until it is up to a year, because if the paste dry, your phone will be heating up. So let me take my time to do this. Engineers, check this out. So I just finished cleaning the paste and let me put new paste. Engineers, check this out. You may ask, Father Joe, where do you get this paste? I got this paste from computer shop. So get this paste. It works like magic. Guys, this paste works very well. So get this paste. This is heatsink compound. So get this paste. Put it very well. Take your time to do this. Guys, take your time to do this. I guarantee you it's going to work 100%. I've been doing this for my customer, and my customer have been giving me enough testimony that it works perfectly. So now you can see I also put it on the phone panel. Check this out. So I put it on the heatsink. Check this out, engineers. It's very simple. Take time to do this. I'm done now, so let me put the panel back. Engineers, watch. Just look at the way I'm going to do my own so that you fix your customer phone very well. Take time to do this, engineers. Make sure you carry anything that is trying to stay under so that the panel can enter very well. Take time to do this, engineers. Put the camera very well. Clip the camera, everything that you need to do. Make sure you do it very well. Don't forget anything, please. Engineers, I'm done. I'm done already. So let me put battery now and on the phone. If I on the phone and the phone is not on, I'll check other IC. I'll check a power IC again. I'll check protective components and other components inside the phone. But first of all, let me put battery and on the phone. Okay. Let me clip battery now and turn on the phone. Okay. Okay, so let me turn on the phone. I just confirm that everything is blocked. Okay, so let me turn on the phone now. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and go. Oh guys, it's working. Check this out. So the phone is working now. So you may ask, Father Joe, how do you be able to know where the problem is coming from? Because when such a thing like this happens, voltage is still flowing in, but the phone is not on. So I think it is open circuit. So I rush over to the power IC and use my workstation to heat up exactly where I showed you. Heat up the IC very well and the phone will work. If you try and the phone is not working, you need to check protective component, you need to check capacitors, resistors, diode. Engineers always check those components that I just mentioned. Okay, right here, engineers, you can see that this phone is showing me something on the screen, which means that the approximating sensor is having issues. The sensor is not working well, something is wrong. So I will solve it. For you to solve it, just go straight to where the sensor is, set it well. So maybe I did not set it well, I'll open the phone and set it well. It's very simple to do it. If you do not know how to do it, let me know in the comment section, I'll help you. Engineers, let me show you the finishing touches of the phone right now. So check this out. Engineers, check this out. Nothing is wrong with the phone. Everything is working now. It's working perfectly. So the owner is waiting for me. Let me do fast so that I can give the phone to the owner. Engineers, check this out. In Phoenix, everything is working very normal. So I'm done. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I will help you. I will respond to your question. So thank you for watching and bye bye for now. Okay, let me allow the phone to boot so that you see that I've solved the sensor issue. Okay, XOS. Okay, let me wait for the phone to finish booting. Okay, I'm waiting. Guys, please wait. Guys, please wait. Okay, check this out. The phone just finished booting. Nothing is wrong. The phone just finished booting. Check this out. It's 100% done. There's nothing like approximating sensor error. Everything is working now. The sensor is working. Everything is working very normal. So thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.